Alright, so today I want to show you how to hang t-shirts, polo shirts. Hanging shirts is kind of a difficult subject in that it is the most wrinkle-free way that you can store your t-shirts. But on the other side, if you do hang them for too long or with the wrong hangers, like this one, it can damage the t-shirt. So I would avoid thin hangers like this. Some people use them. I don't, because it stretches too much on this area, and if you let it hang with this for too long, let me just unfold this polo shirt and I can show you. Alright, so this is the iron little hanger here. So if you let it hang like this for too long, you start to get these little points of the polo shirts or t-shirt that's going to stick up, and this is especially bad with these little iron hangers. So I would avoid this hanger at all costs. Personally, if that's all you have, you gotta work with it. But yes, I would rather use one of these other options here. So this is a suit hanger. This is probably your best option. It does take up a little bit more space than the other ones. So how you use this one is that the part that's hanging forward, you want that to be where the front of the t-shirt is hanging. So I've just opened up the polo shirt here to make things a little bit easier when putting it in. And let me just close it here. And as you can see here now, the shoulders are completely supported. So when you hang it on one of these hangers, they can hang for probably a good week, maybe even 2 weeks before you start to see any stretching in the fabric. Some of your other options are these hangers. These ones are fine as well. They're a little bit thinner, but they're not as thin as the iron hanger. So you would hang it the same way. Let me show you an example here. So this is with the suit hanger, and this is with one of the wooden hangers, the thinner wooden hangers. As you can see, it still has a lot of area to rest on. So you can hang it on one of these. This plastic hangers is also fine. But if you have these are the best ones for sure. So I hope this was useful. We're moving on to the last video in the series here, and that is how to roll up the sleeves of the t-shirt and polo shirts. By the way, if you are interested in purchasing any of these hangers that I recommend, I will be linking them below, so you can check that out as well.